Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for content creation. So Perplexity AI is a powerful tool that can enhance your content creation process by providing well-researched and concise information on a wide range of topics. So here you can just utilize Perplexity AI for content creation along with practical some examples I will show you. So what gonna do, I will just tab in the search bar. You will just generate a content, like enter a specific topic related to your content. So if I just give them command like on digital marketing, so what are the latest trends in digital marketing, I will just tab on it easily, and let's see. And if I just scroll down, so here are some keys like AI, artificial intelligence, short form video content. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram reels are dominating social media strategies with the short form videos. So number third is personalized marketing. So in this way you can just use Perplexity for content creation easily. So you will just publish and share. Once satisfied with your content, you can just publish it on your desired platform such as blog, website, or social media channels, so with the help of Perplexity. So by following these steps, you effectively leverage Perplexity AI to streamline your content creation process. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.